Hi everybody, David Dilling on behalf of Marksware, and I love doing these customer interviews. We learn about their history in print or graphic design, how they use InDesign or other DTP applications, and their workflow. In this last interview, which I'll put a link to down below, with Stephen Duxbury of the UK, a print company, but much more. And that's what I like about this. That print company evolved into a marketing company, and also still print and online services. So, without further ado, I'm going to share a couple quotes with you. This is going to be a short video on some of the highlights of what Stephen had to say about the Marksware PDF to InDesign technology.
Yeah. Brilliant. I know you don't pay me to say that.
No.
It was a fabulous product. I rate it very highly.
Wow. Excellent.
Got me out of the hole this morning, actually.
With that book?
No, with a logo I wanted for something.
Okay.
Didn't have the logo, but I had a PDF of the cover of this magazine. So I simply opened it with Marksware. He got shown some mock-ups of the PDF of the roof,
right?
Gazebo. And I ripped it open with Marksware to get the. She'd done a load of circles, and I wanted those circles.
I like that terminology, Stephen. You ripped it apart with Marksware. Gonna be our new slogan: PDF to InDesign, rip it apart with Marksware. That's a good one. Well, that's what it. Okay, so if you could rate PDF to InDesign from Marksware from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, 1 being the worst, what would you give it?
Okay, well, I'll start to quantify this. I'll give it a 10.
Oh.
I will say that in probably 90% of cases, perhaps 90-95% of cases, Marksware does a fantastic job of converting the file. Yes, there's a few little bits missing or not missing, but here, there.
As you saw, pretty amazing what Stephen had to say. And many other customers give also fantastic reviews on our PDF to InDesign technology and products. So what are you waiting for? Cruising over to Marksware.com today/products and see for yourself. Marksware is busy with bringing out a new product, PDF Marks. We're looking for beta testers. If you'd like to be a beta tester, please let us know at sales@Marksware.com.
If you need a quick conversion, everything will be fine. Click the button, get converted, it's easy as pie. You think long ago, makes you wonder why. Now your documents converted while you stare at the sky.